In this video, you will be learning about getting started with Microsoft Word. This video is for beginners. Hi everyone, we are Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. The profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Subscribe to our channel to get notified when we release more helpful videos. Getting started with Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a word processing application that allows you to create a variety of documents, including letters, resumes, and more. In this lesson, you'll learn how to navigate the Word interface and become familiar with some of its most important features, such as the ribbon, quick access toolbar, and backstage view. Additionally, you will also learn how to open, create, and convert a new Word document. The Word interfaces. When you open Word for the first time, the Start screen will appear. From here, you'll be able to create a new document, choose a template, and access your recently edited documents. From the Start screen, locate and select Blank Document to access the Word interface. Click the buttons in the interactive window to learn more about the Word interface. Working with the Word environment. Word contains useful features such as the ribbon and the quick access toolbar, where you will find commands to perform common tasks in Word, as well as backstage view. The ribbon. Word uses a tabbed ribbon system instead of a traditional menu. The ribbon contains multiple tabs which you can find near the top of the Word window. Each tab contains several groups of related commands. For example, the font group on the Home tab contains commands for formatting text in your document. Some groups also have a small arrow in the bottom right corner that you can click for even more options. Showing and hiding the ribbon. If you find that the ribbon takes up too much screen space, you can hide it. To do this, click the Ribbon Display Options arrow in the upper right corner of the ribbon. Then select the desired option from the drop-down menu. Auto Hide ribbon. Auto Hide displays your document in full screen mode and completely hides the ribbon from view. To show the ribbon, click the Expand Ribbon command at the top of the screen. Show tabs. This option hides all command groups when they're not in use, but tabs will remain visible. To show the ribbon, simply click a tab. Show tabs and commands. This option maximizes the ribbon. All of the tabs and commands will be visible. This option is selected by default when you open Word for the first time. Creating and opening documents in Microsoft Word. Creating a new document. Word files are called documents. Whenever you start a new project in Word, you'll need to create a new document, which can either be blank or from a template. You'll also need to know how to open an existing document. How to create a new blank document. When beginning a new project in Word, you'll often want to start with a new blank document. First, select the File tab to access Backstage View. Then select New, then click Blank Document. A new blank document will appear. To create a new document from a template. A template is a pre-designed document you can use to create a new document quickly. Templates often include custom formatting and designs, so they can save you a lot of time and effort when starting a new project. First, click the File tab to access Backstage View, then select New. Several templates will appear below the blank document option. You can also use the search bar to find something more specific. In our example, we'll search for a flyer template. When you find something you like, select a template to preview it. A preview of the template will appear. Click Create to use the selected template. A new document will appear with the selected template. You can also browse templates by category after performing a search. To open an existing document. In addition to creating new documents, you'll often need to open a document that was previously saved. We will learn more about saving documents in our lesson on saving and sharing documents. First, navigate to Backstage View, then click Open. Then select this PC, then click Browse. Alternatively, you can choose OneDrive to open files stored on your OneDrive. Then the Open dialog box will appear. Locate and select your document, then click Open. The selected document will appear. Most features in Microsoft Office, including Word, are geared towards saving and sharing documents online. This is done with OneDrive, which is an online storage space for your documents and files. If you want to use OneDrive, make sure you're signed into Word with your Microsoft account. To pin a document. If you frequently work with the same document, you can pin it to the Backstage view for quick access. Navigate to Backstage View, click Open, then select Recent. Then a list of recently edited documents will appear. Hover the mouse over the document you want to pin and then click the Push Pin icon. The document will stay in Recent Documents list until it is unpinned. To unpin a document, click the Push Pin icon again. Compatibility Mode. Sometimes you may need to work with documents that were created in earlier versions of Microsoft Word. When you open these types of documents, they will appear in Compatibility Mode. Compatibility Mode disables certain features, so you'll only be able to access commands found in the program that was used to create the document. For example, if you open a document created in Word 2007, you can only use tabs and commands found in Word 2007. In this example, you can see how Compatibility Mode can affect which commands are available. Because the document on the left is in Compatibility Mode, it only shows commands that were available in Word 2007. Exit Compatibility Mode. You'll need to convert the document to the current version type. However, if you're collaborating with others who only have access to an earlier version of Word, it's best to leave the document in Compatibility Mode so the format will not change. You can review the support page for Microsoft to learn more about which features are disabled in Compatibility Mode. To convert a document. If you want access to all current Word features, you can convert the document to the current version file format. First, click the File tab to access Backstage View. Then locate and select the Convert command. Then a dialog box will appear. Click OK to confirm the file upgrade. The document will be converted to the newest file type. Converting a file may cause some changes to the original layout of the document. Now that you've learned about getting started with Microsoft Word, why not check out our other videos to learn more? You can build on this foundation and learn how to use more useful software on your device and do whatever you want with your computer and the internet. If you like this video, please like, share it and subscribe to our channel. Questions for you. What do you want to learn? What tips will be valuable to you? Please leave a comment below. If you need help with your computer or internet skills, please feel free to contact us.